Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I just announced the giveaway winner from the WRM V9 Ball Core UV coated giveaway. So go to Instagram or Facebook to check that out. I'm going to have more giveaways in the future, so make sure you subscribe. Also, please subscribe because we're in a competition. We're in a subscriber war with Teleport.Camera's YouTube channel. So make sure we defeat them and get more subscribers than the Teleport.Camera YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to talk about some MoYu puzzles. MoYu has a lot of things coming out lately. I feel like their business plan at the moment is to just saturate the market, which isn't an awful business plan. And so they're covering all the grounds with the RS3M, with the YSM, with the WRM V9, but they also have a bunch of other puzzles that are budget ones that I don't really know how to make content on. So what I mean by that is, so I got these puzzles. Attentions as they are, not going to lubricate it. It's definitely dry, but I think I want people to, holy I haven't been recording. So I am switching to using my phone camera here instead of recording everything through my computer because I had some people say that you can use a better camera. And you're right. But then I forget to hit record. Okay, I'll just restate everything. Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. We've got the Mailong series here. I'm not going to open them. You've seen the Mailong, but they come in these nice packages now. Caps are coming off some of them. Pyraminx, we've got a little bit piece coming off there, so that's just, push them back together when they're done. Then we've got these robots. Some of them don't come with a cube in it. Like this one, I put that in here, and this one I did. They can sit, they can stand, arms can move. You can set them on top of each other. And the 4x4 came with a Mailong, so I think they all have Mailongs inside of them, unless you get the ones that don't. Like, the 3x3 didn't, so I don't know if it was just random, or if that's just one that didn't come with it. That's the entire video. I'll maybe put a whole jump cut thing together. But anyways, here's a random 4x4 solve. Maybe I'll time it. I don't know. I'm not going to try to go super fast, and this is not setting to my liking. Yeah, a little tight out of the box. But I'm happy with it being tight out of the box and new cubers not accidentally popping their puzzles and thinking it's broken right from the very start. Oh, nope. Okay, so they're Mailongs. They work great. I'm going to put this one back in the robot. And yeah, I definitely don't need these puzzles. I don't need them to take up extra space. I've been giving away more and more puzzles to people around me, doing online giveaways when there's extras. I can't do a ton of online giveaways because that's just a lot of money after a while to ship everything out, and I'm not a company, so shipping for one person is a lot more than if you get a bigger deal when you're a company. The Mailong and the WRM, I was gonna say 9, the WRM were both 59 millimeters, but other older ones were 60 millimeters and 62 millimeters. On a side note, yeah, this isn't going to be a long video because I've got nothing else really to say with it, but I remember years ago, like, I don't know, 8 years ago, I was using the mini Oolong and the mini, what was it called? The Aosu. And the mini Aosu is 60 millimeters, that's a 4x4. The mini Oolong was 54.5 millimeters. And I'm like, this is what cubes are going to turn into, because they're still like 57 and 62. And yeah, the WRM is 54.5 millimeters. The Tornado V2, 54.5 millimeters, if not less than that. And now a lot of the top 4x4s are 59 millimeters, smaller than the minis were. So I don't know if that means that I'm right or I'm just old. Probably both. So I'm going to bring these along to the competition on Sunday. So if you're at a competition in Ohio on Sunday, I'll see you there. and ask me about what free cubes I have, and maybe I'll just bring a bag of them and just hand you a random one, and you know, whatever one you get, you get. But yeah, I guess if you live closer, you'll get some extra puzzles compared to people who live internationally. But I'll keep doing more and more giveaways because I don't need all this stuff. But anyways, thank you, MoYu, for sending this over. Like I said, there's a lot of cool things going on with MoYu. They've got a ton of stuff. The market's quite a bit saturated right now, but you've got something for everyone. I feel like for younger kids who are getting into cubing, this could be fun. Just a nice way to carry the puzzle around and store it, and a little extra touch there that's not necessary, but some people find very enjoyable. So thank you very much for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Leave your questions and comments down in the comment section below. And as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.